Alright, today we're going to go over the installation of the JLT oil separator for your 5.6 Nissan Titan. First thing we need to do is remove the engine cover. There's two 10mm bolts on the front. Lift it up, grab in the back, pull straight up. Next thing we need to do is we need to remove the PCV hose from the PCV valve on both valve covers. There's one here and one on the other side. Squeeze the clamp, loosen it, and pull off the hose. Pull this up to the front. We're going to use these two factory hoses. So what you're going to do is you're going to loosen up the clamps up here so we can rotate them. Twist it and rotate it so it's pointing over in this direction. Reinstall the clamp. Same with this one. Now we're going to mount the JLT bracket using this existing bolt on the fan shroud. Remove it. Then you're going to use the supplied spacer and bolt that comes with the JLT kit. Take the bracket, put the spacer on the back side, the bolt through it, and attach that to the fan shroud. Now you can take your JLT separator and mount it to the bracket using the supplied Phillips head screws. You're going to take your one supplied hose from JLT with the fitting in it, put that onto the J side of the separator, connect that to the two remaining factory hoses. Take your remaining section of hose from JLT, route it over and under the hoses to the driver's side PCV valve. Onto the passenger PCV valve. And onto the JLT. So what we've done is we've teed both PCV valves into one. We run that through a filter. The clean air comes out, is teed, and then back to the manifold just like factory. Reinstall your engine cover, and you're all done.